Honorable Prime Minister, Honorable Chief Minister, and members of the audience. I can't make a speech in Hindi, so I shall try to communicate with all of you in English. The message will be the same. It will be from my heart. Today is a very important day in the history of the state of Assam. It is a day that raises Assam to a higher level in terms of health care and treatment of cancer that has not been experienced by the other states in the country. It really is a day that cancer, which is not a rich man's disease, is being equipped to serve and treat the millions of people that are inflicted. None of this would have taken place if it had not been for the insight and futures of our enlightened Chief Minister, who has been the driving force.
आप देख रहे हैं संथाल हूल एक्सप्रेस, शोषण के खिलाफ बुलंद आवाज।